The cylinder works nice. I'm not too worried about that, so I'll just buy some piston rings and call it the day. Alright, welcome back to the channel and thanks for following along on this project, the 2002 Seadoo Islandia. So last video I updated you guys on the status of the boat and I removed the engine. This video I'll be working on the engine, actually taking it apart and see what's the issue, and we'll go from there. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, please go check it out and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of much more coming up, so let's try to do some work now. Put on the gloves and let's do this. Right there. Yeah, so once you come down, you take next to mommy to go on that road. Yeah, and then I take you. Take a closer look. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad actually. The cylinder wall looks nice. I'm not too worried about that, so I'll just buy some piston rings and call it the day. Yeah? I could just buy some piston rings and call it the day, because the cylinder wall looks fine. I can order them for like $400 or $300, so I'll just order the rings and then buy the gaskets, then call it the day. All right, so that's done on that part. So I'm just gonna keep undressing the engine now. So I see this is what I wanted to see. How bad is the cylinder wall? May just do a little bit of honing here and there, but nothing crazy. So let's just keep undressing the engine.
Number 2.
All right, so there we have it. We have the engine completely tear down. We have the shaft, the engine casing, and I have all the pistons and the rings. So the cylinder looks clean, no major deposit. So all I need to do will be rehorn them. Guys, stay tuned for this, and I'm really excited to work on this engine, and it's a challenge because I've been dealing with this boat with this issue for the past year, trying to figure out, trying to work all the stuff instead of rebuilding the engine. Meanwhile, I could have rebuilt it long time ago, but I was lost in the process. So you guys stay tuned to see what come out from this, and I'm so excited to see the end result. I put a lot of effort in this boat, in this project, and I'm sure you guys are excited to see what's come out. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't done it yet, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.